The correct inference must be based on the information provided, and it should be free of any extrapolation and free of any assumptions. The mind map is enough for solving these questions. The missing link is not needed per se. However, being aware of the missing link in the argument helps you in identifying traps among the answer choices. Let's take an elaborate example. Which of the following can be correctly inferred from the statement? The standard question. The GDP of Zatora has grown by 15% during the tenure of the current political party. This is the highest growth during any tenure over the last 100 years. Sometimes you will see that the argument does not have any conclusion. It just has a lot of information. The mind map here is 15% GDP growth, which is highest in 100 years. Therefore, we have to carefully evaluate what all can be inferred from this information. Look at this. The political party deserves another term. That would be quite hasty. This cannot be inferred. Look at this one. The party has done a great job at governance. This would also be hasty because GDP growth may be just one of the many factors. This cannot be inferred. If it were not for the current political party, the GDP growth would have been less than 15%. This cannot be established. Again, establishing this would require certain assumptions to be made. Therefore, this is not a good inference statement. No other similar economy witnessed greater than 15% GDP growth during the same tenure. Once again, this cannot be established, not a good inference statement. The growth in GDP during the tenure of the current party has been extraordinary. Can this be inferred? Please don't be confused by the term extraordinary. If something is highest over a span of 100 years, it is fair to call it extraordinary. Such general wisdom needs to be applied because inference would not be a mere repetition of something given in the statements. It would be something that can be fairly inferred. So this is a fine inference statement. This was the concept, friends. GMAT shots are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please watch the Stage 1 conceptual videos in our program. Thanks for watching.